I don't know what sorcery this is, but I am so grateful for it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing so well and being safe. If you are a returning subscriber, thanks so much for coming back. And if you are new, don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy the content, that is. Don't feel like you have to do anything you don't want to, but I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel and join our little family over here. We do makeup reviews, we play with skincare, and I even share shopping hauls and story times with you all. So if that's something you're interested in, then feel free to join our little family. I know today is not my usual upload day, but I have a very good reason as to why I'm uploading. I want to try this new Kenzie Beauty Lash Eyeliner with y'all. This is supposed to be a 2-in-1 product where it's like lash glue and eyeliner all in one. So we're saving steps in our makeup routine, or even our no makeup routine, which is kind of like how I feel right now. So if you want to test this product out with me and see if it works, then keep on watching. Last weekend, Kenzie Beauty sent me the neatest little PR package containing some of my favorite lashes as well as their newest products, and I did want to test these out with you all live on camera so we can see if this really works. And I am super excited as well to try their latest lash style. For most of you who don't know, Kenzie Beauty is our very own local brand right here in Trinidad, and they sell all of their lashes. They are 3D foaming lashes, so they are cruelty free as well, and they are available at major local retailers including Pennywise, and their lashes range at $50 per pack. That is amazing considering you get 5 lashes in each packs, and I'm telling you, these are so high quality. They feel very luxe and expensive. They are my absolute favorite lashes of all time. But I do want to dive straight into this new baby right here. This is called their Bond Lash Liner, and it's a lash glue liner that is latex free, cruelty free, zero magnets, zero dry time, and it is also vegan. So I love the inclusivity of this product, you know, catering to vegans and just everyone under the sun. So it says to shake well before use, ensure your eye area is clean and oil free, apply a generous amount of the formula along your lash line, then ensure that you press your lash band into place. So we're gonna do exactly that. I'm gonna do one eye at a time because I think that makes the most sense. So it's a regular black eyeliner. This is how it looks, really chic and pretty. Honestly, I don't know how Kenzie does it with the packaging and the price points. I mean, I'm not complaining about it, but oh. So let's see what the tip looks like. Let's give it a test. That is really black. Like, I did not expect that. I thought it would have been kind of sheer, but that is very opaque. Like, wow. Let me feel it. Oh, it is sticky. It does have some tack to it. A little bit of transfer expected because I mean it's wet. All right, so I'm gonna put these on my eyes. As you can see, I have, you know, very minimal makeup going on, which is kind of like what I've been doing for the last couple of videos. But I did tightline. What that means, I put some black eyeliner just below this upper lash line to, you know, just make my natural lashes look seamless, and that's really it. So let's jump straight into this product. I'm also going to be testing it out with Lala, which is their latest style. So I'm just going to carefully get these lashes ready. Lala looks so perfect, especially for how I feel lately with just no makeup. This is what it looks like up close. Very everyday friendly. Really, really pretty lash. Okay, so let me see if I can bring you up a little bit closer. Good. You're all up in my business. So we're going in with the liner. You're seeing the opacity of this eyeliner. Okay, I need to not talk. That was really easy. Now you're just supposed to take your lash and apply. Well, I don't know what sorcery this is, but I am so grateful for it. What? Okay, so I'm just gonna take this Kenzie lash applicator and press my lashes and the fake lashes together. Let's do the next eye, because this is insane. I'm gonna bring y'all back in. This is crazy insane. I know I'm excited when I start sweating on my nose. I've never in my life applied a lash that fast. That is crazy. I'm going in with the lash now. I have no words for this product. So far, first impressions, this is absolute fire. This is magic in a pen. Kenzie Lashes, what did you do? What sorcery is this? This is not normal. How did you do this without magnets? I need some answers for sure, because this was so easy. I think definitely if you have trouble with applying lashes, this is your new best friend for sure. Judging from my reaction to how this product actually worked, I think it's safe to say that this is a hot yes for me. The first impressions of this product is mind-blowing. I think this is a huge game changer, especially for the price. And I mean, it worked. It does what it says. It's a lash glue and an eyeliner in one. I think what I am so excited about this for is to really reapply. Like, I'm one person, when I am going out and I'm wearing falsies, I tend to keep my lash glue with me as well in my purse, so that, you know, if my inner corner pops off, which happens quite often, and I think it's just because I have watery eyes, so when that happens, I make sure and have my lash glue on hand. But when you keep applying lash glue to that inner corner, or just a lash in general, it gets very thick and kind of goopy, very gross real quick. So I think this could definitely be a huge resolution to that issue, because it's just liner like this. You could apply this over and over and it's not going to get thick and goopy on you. It's just a liner. So I did take the pen and I marked up my hand just a little bit a couple of times to see like if it just shares out after a couple of uses, and to be honest, they all look the same as the first time I swatched it, which was this long one here, and it looks really good still to me. And yes, it is a little bit tacky, but the thing is with this product, I realized that you have to work kind of fast. So don't line both eyes and then apply lashes here and apply the other lash there. No, you need to work one eye at a time, and you do have to apply a generous amount. I see that because the first line I applied, it was kind of thin and the outer corner started to come off a little bit, but as soon as I went back and I reapplied just a little touch at the outer corner, and the lash just stayed on, and it's still on. It's like not going anywhere. It feels very much like eyelash glue, but I don't know, for some reason, I don't know if it's maybe just the lash, but it's not heavy on my eyes, it's not irritating my eyes, and I feel so good about this product. So this product will definitely shave a lot of time from our makeup routine for us lash girls. In terms of the cons of this product, for me, I could only think of one, and that is the actual felt tip itself. I've had experience with tips like these before, and they don't give me the neatest winged eyeliner look that I like, especially for my eye shape, where out here is just kind of hooded and deep set. So I do have to get a very thin and flexible eyeliner. So like my Too Faced Better Than Sex eyeliner, that is the perfect pen for me because it's like a brush on tip, where this is like a felt tip. So it's a little bit stiffer than what I prefer to work with for my wing liners, but I am not making that an issue. I'm going to keep using this, and on the days that I do want like a nice wing, I will just add on the wing with my Too Faced eyeliner. And actually that saves me a lot of product because that is $21 US. So if I could minus doing my lids and just having to do my wings with that product, it saves product there. So yeah, really not bad at all. I think this is a steal of a deal if you really do want to try lashes. I can't wait to share this with my friends, especially like my newbies who are just like dipping their toe into the pool of makeup. So they will definitely enjoy this for sure. So overall, I think this is a wonderful product. Kenzie Beauty, y'all really did something here, and thank you so much for making, again, wonderful and affordable products for everyone to try. And yeah, that is it for this review. I will definitely keep you all updated in terms of like how it wears, you know, what I experienced while I was wearing it. I'll have a more in-depth review on my Instagram, so make sure you are following me over there if you want an update on this Bond lash liner. So that's it, guys. That completes this lash liner review video. If you guys enjoyed it, please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and comment down below if you think this is a product you want to try. Like, is it a game changer for you? Because I definitely think I shaved off a lot of time from my makeup routine with this product. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.